Hello, in this video we will cover modules and packages. We will see custom packages, built-in packages and third-party packages of Python. Now let's open PyCharm. Packages are folders or directories and the modules are single files that end with .py extension. Now we will start with custom packages. I have a main.py file in here, and also in the same directory I have also another Python file which is my module.py, and here in it I have defined a function called my module function, and it is printing that hello from my module. Now I am going to reach this function from this main.py and call it from main.py. To do this I am going to import this module first. Let's do this. Import my module. Okay, after this import, if I write my module dot, and I am going to see that the function is now callable from this main.py file, and if I run this, I'm going to get hello from my module. There is also another way to call this function. We can directly import this function from my module. Let's do this. I write from my module this time. I'm not going to import it directly. Module. And after this, I will write import and the name of the function. It was my module function. Okay, if I do it this way, since I have imported this directly, I can call the function's name directly from this main.py file, and I will write my module function, and that's all. If I run this, I'm going to get the same result with this one. Okay. There is also another folder here called my package, and it is in the same directory with main.py. If I open this, I will see that there is a script, a Python file called myscript.py, and inside of it there is a function that prints hello from my script. And also there is another package inside this package. It is my sub package, and inside of it there is also another uh, function that prints hello from my subscript. Okay, now from this main method we are going to reach those. First I'm going to run this my script function which is inside my package. To do this I will get here and I will write from my package. Okay, let's also delete those first. From my package I will import my script. This is the name of the module, and after that I can write my script dot my script function, and if I run this I will get hello from my script. Now let's run the function, my subscript function, from this sub package. Let's delete this and write from this time my package dot my sub package. We are going to reach the sub package of its subfolder of it by calling a dot after it, and after that I will import my subscript module. Okay, after that I can use this my subscript, and after putting a dot I'm going to reach the function inside of it, and if I run this main.py file I'll get hello from my subscript, which is the text inside of this function. Now let's take a look at built-in packages of Python, which come with Python standard library and they can be imported directly. Let's open this built-in.py file, and from here I can import, for example, math library of Python directly because it's a built-in package. And after that, for example, I want to use pi number from this math library. I'm going to print it. I will use math.py. Okay, if I run this, I'm going to get the pi number in the console. Okay, if we can do the same thing from as we did before from math. Okay, I'll import pi, and I can now directly call pi from my file. Let's delete them. Okay, if I run this I will get the same result, but this time I can call it directly because I have just imported pi this time from this math library. Okay, this is how to use built-in packages of Python. Now let's take a look at third-party packages. Third-party packages are distributed via PyPI, which is Python package index, and they are installed using pip from the terminal or from the command prompt. Let's see an example of it. I'm going to open this Python file, which is called third, and I'm going to import a library, which is requests. Okay, and as you see, I got an error. Why is that? Because I have not installed it yet. Since this is a third-party package, first I need to install it. I will install it from the terminal. I will open the terminal and write pip install and the name of the package I want to install, which is requests. Okay, and after that I will press enter, and it is going to install the package in my computer. Okay. As you see, after the installation with pip, the error in here is gone, and now we can use request library in our system. Let's see if it is working. By the way, it is used to make requests to the websites, and it is commonly used along with Beautiful Soup to scrape websites. But we are not going to get into those. Of course, I'll just see if it is working. I will call response is equal to requests.get, and I'm going to write a URL in here, and it will be https, and after that let's say api.github.com. okay, after getting the response from the website, I'm going to print the status code, response.status code, and let's run this, see what we get, and we get 200, which means the request is successful. And we can use this library, this third-party package in our system after installing it with pip from the terminal. Okay, that's all from modules and packages.